Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the last of my Orctober minis now. This is one of my bog standard Shooter boys by Blue Sky Minis. I have primed the mini black and given them a white zenithal highlight. Get started with the jacket this time around with Griffin Claw. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get started with the skin with a base coat of green skin. While waiting for the skin to dry, I give the bottoms a quick once over with sandstone. There are loads of little straps around this mini, so I'll quickly grab cuirass leather and do these and the boots. For the teeth and the nails, I gave them a quick once over with Vampire Fang. Getting started on the highlighting with the skin, I went for Ethereal Green. This is for the majority of the skin, just leaving it darker in the recessed parts to add some definition to the muscles. All the metal parts that won't be blue are done with Army Painter's gunmetal now. Now to add that blue in, all the armor plates are done with crystal blue. The final highlight for the skin is moon yellow. I would usually go for a very light green, but I wanted to try something a little bit different this time around, and yellow is quite a translucent colour in general, so it works as quite well as just a direct highlight on green. I didn't like how the gun looked, so I grabbed true copper and just added a few panels just to break up some of that silver. For the eyes and the beret, I went for flat red. Now getting started on the washes with orc flesh wash for all of that orky flesh. All the metal parts as well as the base get a once over with dark tone wash. To add some shadows to the blue, I washed the panels with blue tone. Finally, I washed all of the clothing as well as the base again with strong tone. And that will be it for the Orc Shooter Boy. Very simple paint job, but that is how I like my rank and file minis. I don't really see the point in putting together like a large, highly highlighted mini when you put it in a group of 10 of them, because you won't really tell. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.